cannot come to the southern United States and Louisiana without trying barbecue. So I've come to Salty Joe's Barbecue Shop, and I'm with Francisco Esqueda. He owns this lively, fun restaurant, and he's also the top chef. Francisco, why did you decide to open a barbecue shop in Hammond?
Well, we decided a couple years ago that we started doing something different, something unique. And then we decided to make that restaurant. We say, let's start with the barbecue restaurant. We start with the bar. We moved to another room. We decided to get this building. This was like an old collective building already here.
All right. And where are you from originally? And how did you learn about barbecue?
I'm originally from Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico, and I've been cooking for 25 years. I started in Colorado, moved to Tennessee, Baton Rouge here in Louisiana, and then I decided to come out to Hammond. In my 25 years cooking different cuisines, I started learning a little bit about barbecue. I met a good friend of mine, and he would teach me how to do different types of barbecue, how to season the meat, how to do different things. So that's what I decided, you know what, barbecue is my new thing.
I love it. And you have this massive smoker. Do you think that the people that are coming here like seeing that?
That's one of the features of the restaurant. Everybody will come here. Sometimes they will come up to here and say, hey, can I look at the smoker? Sure. We open the smoker, they can see all the meats cooking, and it's amazing.
They're just dreaming that they're you, and they have this big smoker in their backyard. Okay, so what are we gonna cook today?
Today we're gonna cook some pork ribs, and we're gonna season and put it in the smoker for a couple hours and be ready.
I love it. Okay, pork ribs are one of my favorite things in the world, so I'm already excited. Okay, what's the first step?
The first step, we're gonna put some gloves on, and then we're gonna start putting some seasoning in, and then we get it on.
All right.
So we're gonna put a little bit of seasoning in here.
Oh, a lot of seasoning.
Okay. Yes, and then we're gonna flip this down, and we're gonna do the same thing.
And where did you come up with the secret? From just looking at other people's delicious dishes, or you followed your heart, or what?
We have to follow our heart sometimes. We have to make sure that what we do is with love.
Okay.
Yes. So we're gonna keep going with all the ribs. You wanna do some?
Absolutely.
Okay, I will do this one this side, and then you do the next side. How about that?
Sounds good. I'm trying to secretly figure out what's in this spice. But I don't know. I see pepper. That's all I can see.
It's pepper, and I can give you more. It's a little brown sugar in there.
Brown sugar?
And pepper, yes.
Whoa. Is that good?
That's perfect.
Okay. And how long do you keep this marinating in the spice?
We're gonna put it right into the smoker.
Ta-da!
Then we're gonna grab the ribs, put it right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And now, is there a technique to how you put it in here?
It does. It is a technique. We have to put all the bigger bones close to the walls because the heat concentrates on there, and when they rotate them, it can go, all the heat goes in through from the walls to the center. So the thinner ribs, they cook faster than the thicker ribs. So that's why we put it like that way.
Okay, so what's step 3?
Step 3, we're just gonna make some coleslaw.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So we're gonna get some stuff out here. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some vinegar.
Vinegar, how much vinegar?
That is about 1 cup of vinegar.
1 cup of what kind of vinegar?
It's apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar.
And also we're gonna do some sugar.
How much sugar here?
1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar. Sweet,
And
sweet,
we're
sweet.
gonna make sure the sugar is dissolved.
Okay.
This one, mustard.
Mustard.
This is yellow mustard.
Just yellow mustard.
Just yellow plain mustard.
Okay.
Our next ingredients, so it's gonna be buttermilk.
Buttermilk?
Yes, and it's 1 cup of that.
Buttermilk.
Yes.
Wow. How exciting. Buttermilk.
Yeah. Buttermilk, pickled relish, and mayonnaise.
How much mayonnaise?
That is 2 cups of mayonnaise.
2 cups. Wow, that's a lot. That's
a lot of mayonnaise.
Mayo. Everyone loves mayo.
Oh, yes. This one is sour cream.
Sour cream. How much of this?
That same 2 cups.
Wow.
Yep.
I'm learning.
Yep.
And tasty coleslaw.
Okay, so our next step, we're gonna grab this one.
Okay.
Then we're gonna just put a little bit in this one here.
And that, I put this dressing inside
Just a little bit of dressing that we can mix it up, yes.
How much do you put in?
I put about 1 cup. I'll let you know when. That's perfect.
Really? Okay. And then this dressing is for later?
That's just for later, yes.
Ooh, this is looking so tasty.
Yes. So
What's step 4?
step 4, we're gonna start checking out the ribs. But guess what? I came in early this morning. I put some ribs in, and I think they're ready. You
Really?
wanna check those out?
So I don't have to wait 3 hours?
No, you don't.
Ooh, you are so
Let's-
nice to me.
Let's check those out.
Wow.
Oh, I think they're ready.
Those are looking really good.
Yes, they are. Oh my God, it smells so good.
Smells so good.
Yes. All right.
So how many of these can you actually eat?
Oh, I can eat 2 or 3 of these. It all depends.
What, 2 or 3 of these
Oh, no,
whole
no.
strips?
2 or 3 bones.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't need the whole rib. No, no, no.
Oh, this looks so fantastic. What do you think?
Oh, they look good. I think they're tender. The bones are coming out of the rib. See? So they're perfect. They're good. Now we're just gonna cut it and get it ready.
This smells
Well,
so
like-
good. I can't wait. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you for enjoying us.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. All right, Brandy. So this is our traditional plate. So we got our coleslaw, our baked beans, and also we got coconut pineapple meal that we can enjoy.
Wow, what a feast. I'm so excited. And can we dig in right away to these
can.
pork ribs that you cooked earlier for me, which I
Yes.
really appreciate.
And actually, right here on the south, you don't use for silverware.
Really?
You just grab your hands and dig in.
Dig in.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, the fork and the staff is just for your coleslaw.
Really? The bone just falls right off.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Amazing. They're so tender,
It is.
and I love the spice on it.
You can see all the seasoning, everything we put on there. It kind of combines with the meats and everything.
And I like it because you can really taste the meat,
You can.
right? It's not like the sauce is overpowering and
Oh,
then
no.
you lose that.
No, 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 no. You
So
got so many
tender.
flavors combined in there. It's pretty delicious.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, but you taste the coleslaw and stuff, you can see the difference, the sweetness with the coleslaw, the creamy. I would take my recipe.
I love that you put sour cream in here. Okay, and then we have the beans.
Yeah.
Do you make those too?
Oh, yeah.
They're very sweet.
Very good.
They go really well with the
Yeah.
ribs. Absolutely delicious. Well, Francisco,
Yes.
thank you for inviting me to your wonderful restaurant.
All right.
I'm thrilled you decided to focus on barbecue,
All right. Thank you.
and you're amazing at it.
Thank you.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Wow.